मुझका ये लाइट वापस ऊपर क्यों जा रहा है रे? लाइट वापस गया तो वापस खत्म हो गया स्ट्रीम। नहीं, लाइट गया ना। हाँ, स्ट्रीम हैज एंडेड दिखा रहा है बार बार। स्ट्रीम हैज एंडेड। अनुष्का, ये लिंक शेयर कर दो आप लोग। Hi people. People, I'm so sorry for this inconvenience caused because of some system fluctuations. This is happening. So sorry, people. Let's continue. Where were we? Where were we? Where were we? Yes. We were on fifth question. Everyone with me, people? Hi, Ayushi. Hi, Ayushi. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. How are you, Ayushi? So, people, we were on fifth question. In normal course, the CRP process should be completed within a period of how many days from the date of admission of the application? Fifth question answer is B. Correct, Meenu Sabid. Sixth question. The RP has to manage the company as yes. Sixth is also B. Perfect. Seventh, as per section 22, subsection 1, the first meeting of the committee of creditors will be held within how many days of the constitution? Is it 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days? Ayushi, a bit nervous, sir. Why, Ayushi? What's up? Why are you nervous, Ayushi? Guys, in case you are nervous, just watch my answer writing video. In case you are nervous, just watch my answer writing video. Over there, very beautifully, I have taught you how to bluff in your exam, how to bluff answers in your exam, even if you don't know the answer. In my answer writing video, I have taught you how to write answers to those questions whose answers you don't know. So we will just watch that video. It's very creative. If you watch that video, people, you will be able to tackle any question. You will be able to tackle any question. I will not promise that you will get full marks, but definitely I can promise that you will get at least 1 or 2 marks. Right, people? So don't worry at all. 1 or 2 marks, not people. 3 or 4 marks out of 7 marks. 3 or 4 marks out of 7 marks. Okay? At least half marks you will get if you just simply bluff your answer. Yes. So Ayushi, don't worry at all, okay? Don't panic. The first step towards conquering these examinations is not to panic. Not to panic, okay? Okay, where were we? We were on seventh question. Seventh question, has anyone answered me? Seventh question. Seventh question answer is C. Perfect. NV Chaudhary, correct. Eighth question. A RP may be replaced with dash of the voting rights of the committee of creditors. 51%, 66%, 75% or 55%. Eighth answer is B. Correct. Who gave me the answer? Eighth answer B. Yes, NV Chaudhary gave me the answer. Eighth answer is B. The adjudicating authority in case of personal insolvency is NCLT, Debt Recovery Tribunal, RBI, SEBI. 10th question. During bankruptcy proceeding, the bankrupt shall not be appointed as a trustee, public servant, or to election of local authority, not act as director or take part in formation of companies, disclose in all transactions about the bankruptcy proceedings, all or any of the above. 10th question. 11th question. Under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, where extension of time is requested, the CIRP shall be completed within a period of how many days from the date of admission of application? Ninth question. Ninth question answer is B. Correct. NV Chaudhary. 10th question. Tenth question D. Correct. Guys. Perfect. 10th question answer is D. 11th question. 11th question answer. 11th question answer. 11th question. Guys, under Insolvency Bankruptcy Code, where extension of time is requested, the CIRP process shall be completed within a period of how many days from the date of admission? Guys, please read carefully question number 11. Question number 11, please read carefully. Yes, Jyoti Kumari, correct. Jyoti Kumari is right. It should be 270 days with extension, but maximum 330 days is within 3 days you have to complete CRP. But with extension, you have got maximum 270 days time. But in module, 240 days have been given people. That does not make sense at all. So answer is people 270 days with extension and 330 days maximum. Maximum is 330 days. People, this is very important. You will get stuck over here. 12th question. Insolvency Bankruptcy Code is not applicable on financial service providers, partnership firms and individuals, LLP, companies incorporated under Companies Act. 13th question. With the introduction of IBC, the following laws have been repealed. Chapter 19 and Chapter 20 of Companies Act 2013, Part 6A, Part 7 and Section 391 of Companies Act 1956, SICA Act 1985, all of the above. 14th question. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board has powers of a dash court in respect of issue of summons, discovery and production of books, inspection of books, registers and issue of commissions for examination of witnesses, Session Court, High Court, Supreme Court or Civil Court. 12th question answer. 12th question answer. 12th question, has anyone answered? Meenu Sabid has answered me the question first. 12th answer is A. Perfect. 13th question. 13 answer is D. NV Chaudhary. Perfect. 14th question. Okay, one second. NV Chaudhary, you have told me 330 days. Guys, listen to me. If extension has been granted to you, maximum time is 270 days. Maximum time is 270 days. Right? If extension has been granted, maximum 270 days allowed. But if there is a delay from the part of NCLT, if there's a delay on part of yours, which is a legal, valid delay reasons, in that case, maximum tenure is 330 days. Otherwise, it is 270 days. But because of delay, due to NCLT or due to insolvency professionals or due to the management, maximum time limit is 330 days. So in the question it is asked is extension is 270 days. Right, people? 14 question. Has anyone answered me? 14 question. 14 question answer. 14 question answer. 14 question answer is D. Perfect. Anjali Sharma. 14 question answer is D, people. Civil code. 15 question. The following institutions are insolvency professional agencies. IC, Institute of Cost Accountants of India, Chartered Accountants, Company Secretaries, all of them. People, read this question carefully and answer me the question. 15 question. Yes, Meenu Sabir. Perfect. Who gave me the answer first? NV Chaudhary gave me the answer. 15 answer is D. All of us can be insolvency professionals. 16 question. The authority under the IBBI to administer and regulate the law is IBBI, insolvency professional agency, none of the above. 17th, related party in relation to a corporate debtor means a director or partner or a relative of a director or partner of the corporate debtor, a KMP or a relative of KMP of the corporate debtor. Number C, LLP or a partnership firm in which a director, partner, manager of the corporate debtor or his relative is a partner. Number 4 is all of the above. 18 question, a person under IBC is HUF, company, a trust, all of the above. 16 question, people. 16. Yes, NV Chaudhary. 16 answer is A, IBBI. Yes, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. People, this question does not make sense, but it is there in your module. So answer is IBBI. Okay. 17 question. 17 question. Has anyone answered me? D. 17 question. Okay. NV Chaudhary is asking me 270 days and 330 days. If both options are given, then NV Chaudhary you have to choose 270 days. You have to choose 270 days. Where extension of time requested shall be completed within a period of dash. People, if maximum time limit, this word is mentioned, maximum time limit, then you have to choose 330 days. Is there maximum time limit anywhere mentioned? No. So it is 270 days. Right, people? 270 days. So where were we? 27th question, 17th question. 17th question, has anyone answered me? D. Yes. Meenu Sabir, you have answered me D. Perfect, Meenu Sabir. 18th question. Yes. A person under IBC is People, just one sec. Bye. Yes, people. 18th answer, 18 answer, 18 answer. 18 answer, has anyone answered me? 18 question. 18 answer is D. Yes, people. All of the above. Perfect. 19 question. A person shall not be eligible to submit a RP, resolution plan, if such person or any person acting jointly or in concert with such person is an undischarged insolvent, is a willful defaulter at the time of submission of RP. Number 3 is at the time of submission of plan has an account or an account of a corporate debtor under the management or control of such person or whom such person is a promoter classified as NPA or all of the above. 19 question, people. Tell me 19 question, 19 question, 19 question. 19 questions D. NV Chaudhary, perfect. Yes. 20th. Under IBC, the corporate resolution process shall be completed within a period of how many months from the date of application? How many days? Yes. The insolvency professional proposed shall be continued, rejected by the adjudicating authority based on information from the board. In case none is proposed, the adjudicating authority shall request for nomination within how many days to board, and board shall nominate within how many days? 22nd. Under IBC, RP shall file an application to the adjudicating authority to extend the CIRP period beyond permitted days if instructed do so by a resolution passed at a meeting of the COC by a favor of vote how much? 51%, 66%, 75%, 60%. 20th answer. 20th answer. 20th. Yes, Anjali Sharma, perfect. 20th answer is C. 21 people, 21. Yes, people. Everybody, quickly answer me 21st question, people. 21st question. Okay, where were we, people? Under IBC, corporate insolvency resolution process shall be completed within a period of. Okay, we are done with this. 21. Has anyone answered me? 21. Ayushi, perfect. 21A, 21A. Okay, 22 people. 22 is B. Correct, guys. Correct. Fantastic, guys. 66%. Now, people, let's come to the Competition Act 2002. Yes. Okay. Competition Act has replaced Companies Act 1956, Consumer Protection Act, MRTP Act. None of the above. First question. Second question is the turnover threshold. People will talk about this in the last. We'll talk about this in the last. Okay. Second question. Third question. Which is not the objective of CCI? To promote startup company, promote and sustain competition, protect the interest of consumers, prevent anti-competitive practices. Fourth, selling products, services below the cost is called what? Undercut pricing, under invoicing, predatory pricing. Fourth is introductory pricing. First answer C. Yes, Ayushi, perfect. Ayushi, why are you scared if you are able to answer all the questions correctly? Right? Third question. Yes, Anjali Sharma, correct. Fourth question. Fourth question, C, predatory pricing. Correct, people, right? Now, people, this also will talk in the last. Okay, this is very important. We will talk in the last. Sixth question, which of the following is not a type of unfair competition? Collusive price fixing, creation of barriers to entry, tie-in purchase, predatory pricing. Over here, you will tend to make mistake. Seventh question, which of the following is not an objective of the Competition Act 2002? To prevent practices having adverse effect on competition, to prevent competition in market, to protect the interest of consumers. Number 4, to ensure freedom of trade carried on by other participants in markets in India and for matters connected thereto or incidental thereto. Seventh question. Eighth question. Unfair competition under the Competition Act 2002 means adoption of practices, that is collusive price fixing, allocation of markets, discriminatory pricing. Number 4 is all of the above. Yes. Sixth question, people. Six C. Yes. Pooja Gupta has given me perfect answer first. Sixth C. Seventh question. Yes, people. Seventh B. Kalaivani Ramalingam. Perfect. Kalaivani Ramalingam. Correct. Unfair competition under the Competition Act 2002 means adoption of practices. Eighth question, people. Eighth question. Eighth answer. D. Yes, Anjali Sharma. Perfect. Ninth question. An association of producers, sellers, distributors, traders, service providers who by agreement among themselves limit, control or attempt to control the production, distribution, sale or price of or trade in goods or provision of services is known as acquisition, agreement, cartel, pool. Ninth question. Okay. All right. Ninth question. C. Correct. Who gave me the answer? Ayushi gave me the answer. Correct, Ayushi. Which of the following is not a benefit of CSR program? Mutual trust, attracting and retaining employees, communities as suppliers, enhancing corporate reputation. 11th question. Any person aggrieved by any order of the Competition Appellate Tribunal may file an appeal at the humble Supreme Court within how many days from the date of receipt of the order of Appellate Tribunal? 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, 90 days. The chairperson and every other member shall hold office for a term of how many years from the date on which he enters upon his office? 2 years, 3 years, 5 years and 10 years. 10th question. 10th question. Minu Sayyid is saying mutual benefit. No, Minu Sayyid. Answer is Minu Sabid. No. Answer is C. 10th answer is C. Has anyone given me 10th answer C? Nobody, guys. Communities at suppliers. This is not a benefit of CSR program, people. Mutual trust means what? Customers are trusting company. Why? Because company is spending in CSR activity. Reliance has spent in Geo, because of which people in remote areas are now able to have access to education, right? So this creates trust. Number 2 is attracting and retaining employees. Employees trust will also improve people because of CSR program. Enhancing the reputation is also there. Communities as suppliers. This is not a direct benefit of CSR program. Okay, people. 11th question. 11th question answer is C. Who gave me the answer? NV Chaudhary gave me the answer. 11th question is C. Perfect, NV Chaudhary. The chairperson and every other member shall hold office for a term of how many years from the date on which he enters upon his office? 12th question. 12th question. C. 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 Ayushi, perfect. 12th question is C. 13th. The commission also has the power to impose a fine which may extend up to dash of the total turnover or the assets of the combination, whichever is higher, for failure to give notice to the commission of the combination. 2%, 1%, 0.5%, 3%. The commission may, by order in writing, direct division of an enterprise enjoying dominant position to ensure that such enterprise does not abuse its dominant position. The order may provide for the following matters, namely the transfer or vesting of property rights, liabilities, obligations, the adjustment of contracts either by discharge or reduction of any liability or obligation or otherwise. Number C, the creation, allotment, surrender, or cancellation of any shares, stocks, or securities. All of the above. 15th question. If the commission does not, on the expiry of a period of dash days from the date of notice given to the commission, referred to in section 29 subsection 2, pass an order or issue direction, the combination shall be deemed to have been approved by the commission. Now, people, quickly tell me the answer to 13th question. 13, 13, 13. 13B. NV Chaudhary, perfect, buddy. 14 question, people. 14 question. Answer is D. Perfect. Who gave me the answer first? NV Chaudhary. Yes. 15th question. 15th is A. Ayushi no. NV Chaudhary gave me the answer. Right, people. Right. Perfect. So now let's come to the most trickiest part of this chapter. Let's come to the most trickiest part of this chapter. People, just 1 second. I'll show you something. Yes. People, this is a circular from Ministry of Corporate Affairs about the threshold of combination. Well, just 1 second. Just take a quick screenshot so that I can write it. Oh. Well, just 1 sec. Yes. Is my screen visible, guys? Is my screen visible? Yes, baby. Is my screen visible? Give me a quick thumbs up, guys. Yes, people. Hello. 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 Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Yes. So, people, there can be three possible scenarios in your exam. There can be three possible scenarios in your exam. Number one, case one. Question is asked where in your options there are no new threshold options. There are no new threshold options. No new threshold options. There are only old options. Old threshold. In that case, people, you have to select the old thresholds criteria. You have to select the old thresholds criteria in case in your options there are no new threshold option given. Right, people? In case number two, there is no old but only new threshold options are given. Then you have to choose the new threshold option. Now comes the trickiest part. Tricky part. Old also given, new also given. In this case, you tell me which option will you select, old threshold or new threshold. You guys tell me which option will you select, old threshold or new threshold. Yes, people, quickly tell me, guys, quickly. Yes, Minu Sabir. If in your options old and new both are given, then the examiner is expecting you to tick mark the new option to check if you are thorough with the new amendments or not. In this scenario, you have to select the new threshold. Okay. If in options there is no new thresholds given, you have to select the old threshold. If in case 2 there is no old option given, you have to select the new threshold option. In trickiest part, if old and new both are given, then in that case you have to set the new threshold. Right, people? Tir to no. You have to set the new threshold option. If in the exam old and new both are given, you have to select the new threshold because the examiner is expecting you to write the new threshold option. People, I will tell you, 100% people, this amendment came in 2024 March something. This amendment came, but it's been now a lot of time. It's been 1 year now. Definitely in an exam new option will be asked, new threshold will be asked. So always select the new threshold. This is 99% possibility that question will be asked based on new threshold. Right, people? So don't worry at all if certain questions are asked. Okay, people? So we are done with people, SEBI, we are done with Competition Act, we are done with Insolvency Bankruptcy Code, we are done with corporate governance. People, now I want you to answer just one very easy question. One very easy question I want to ask you. I ask this to all my students that it is not related to syllabus, people, it is completely out of syllabus. I want you to answer me one question, that what is that one thing that you wish that should be taught in schools but did not taught. One thing that was that you wish should have taught in school but did not. People, this is the reason why I'm asking you this question is, people, I am also a teacher to my CA foundation students, CS foundation students, and CMA foundation students. So I want to teach them this starting from the foundation itself, so that they won't have any problems when they reach final level. So Anjali, Tirthu, Meenu, Ayushi, NV Chaudhary, Kalevani, Ramalingam, ma'am. Guys, just want you to answer me one question, that what is that one thing that you wish should have taught in your schools and colleges but they did not teach you? Can you please answer me this question, people? People, we are done with the today's MCQ. Okay, we are done with today's MCQ. So those who want to answer me the question, people, please, I am very curious about what all things that you wish should have taught in schools and colleges. Hi, Siddesh Reddy. Yes, people. People, in the last live session, I received emotional. Okay, you guys tell me now. You guys tell me. Otherwise, you guys will say the same thing again. Computer, basically, IT skills. Okay. Yes, people. What else? What else? What else? In my last live session, people told me that we wanted to learn emotional intelligence, how to handle failures, how to handle failures. We were not taught about how to handle pressure. That one thing. Failures and setbacks are part of life. Yes, Venkatesh Sharma. Okay. So basically, emotional intelligence, ability to learn rather than just mugging up. Okay. Ability to learn rather than just mugging up. Perfect, Siddesh today. What else, guys? What else was that? Was the thing, one thing that you wish should have taught in schools, but they did not teach you in schools and colleges? People, in my last session, I also received requests that financial intelligence, financial literacy, financial freedom, how to attend that, that should also be taught in schools and colleges. Yes, people. Ayushi, Meenu Sayyed, Anjali Sharma, Tirthu, NV Chaudhary. Guys, what I basically do is, the reason why I'm asking you is, once I know that what are the requirements, what all your requirements, I will choose the best books ever written on these topics. I will read that book and I will include all these lessons to my foundation students. Instead of learning everything once they become CA, CMA, CS, that's going to take 5 to 10 years down the line. So instead of learning everything after 10 years, once they become CA, CMA, CS, I want them to learn from the beginning itself, so that once they become CA, CMA, CS, they can conquer like anything. Okay. So Anjali Sharma, Meenu Sabid, Ayushi, Guys, Kalayvani Ramalingam. Ma'am, Ninglu answer panla. Okay, so it seems that I'm not going to receive any response. Okay, no problem, guys. Sports. Tirtu. Tirtu is playing sports. Okay. Sports. Tirtu is saying sports. Meenu Sabid is saying concept, clarity. Okay. All right. Anybody else? All right, people. No worries. If you remember, just drop me in the comment section. Just drop all those things that you wish that was not taught in your schools and colleges. Please drop me in the comment section. Okay? No worries. No worries. No worries. So, people, that's it. We are done for today. Thank you so much for watching, people. I am so sorry for the inconvenience caused in between due to electricity fluctuations. So thank you so much, people. And tomorrow I will see you in the class. Soon tomorrow all the remaining chapters will complete the MCQs. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, people. Eat well, sleep well, study well. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow I will see you. Bye bye. Boosting up all level students. Okay, Meenu Sabid. Noted, noted, noted. Yes, people. So take care, guys. Take care, take care, take care.